roses, it's Olena, and as you can see I have 3 polygels in front of me I'll be using from Makartt, and I'll go ahead and just show you some of the other products I'll be using. Today's set will be a Good Friday, since today at the time I am posting this it is Good Friday. Happy Easter polygel nails. So I've already cut down the tips I am using, and I'm just going ahead and putting on my primer and all that good stuff. I'm not going to talk much at all on this set here, or this video here. And what I'm doing, I wanted to go ahead and do like I did on a couple of polygel videos ago, when I told you guys I was trying to use up some polygel that I have here from Makartt, and since I still have a bit more of it, I'm going to go ahead and mix it in with this light blue polygel I recently got in my last Amazon haul. So it's going to be a polygel marble. I seem to be doing that quite a bit every single time I have been doing polygel in my last couple of polygel videos. And then I'm going to do a little bit of art on my middle nail and use some chrome and some cat eye. So yeah, pretty simple, very simple set actually. So I appreciate you stopping by to watch, and if you haven't already had a chance to subscribe to my channel, I would appreciate it. Also give this video a thumbs up if you like polygel videos or just nail videos in general. That would be a nice Easter gift for me. And if you're able to hype this video up, please consider hyping, and also checking out my membership. Okay, so anyway, from this point on I'm going to go ahead and play some music. I did speed this up so the video is not as long as what it actually took to film this. So if you need to speed it up a little bit more, go right ahead. I would just appreciate you watching the whole video if you can. That would be awesome. So anyway, I will see you at the end. Okay, roses, I'm about at the end here. All I'm doing is top coating everything so everything is nice and sealed in. I do like this set. I haven't done a set with this much baby blue on it, and so I like it. And as you can already tell, probably, I like doing marble. Any version of marble that I can do on nails, I'm going to do it. So yeah. So anyway, let me know what you think about this. Do you think doing polygel marble, do you think it's a great way to use up your polygels or not? And like I said, if you forgot to like this video earlier, please go ahead and do that. Leave me a comment. I would appreciate it. And I hope you have a wonderful Good Friday, a wonderful weekend, and a wonderful Easter, and if you celebrate like I do, okay? And if you don't, have a great weekend, okay? So yeah, here we go, and I'm about to show you guys a close-up of the final look right about now. Yeah, so I think I did pretty good. I don't know what I was doing with the pinky though. The pinky is shorter than I really expected. I don't know. I wasn't really paying attention. I think I was tired and I just wanted to just get it done. And it's a little crooked towards the bottom of it. What I did do though, and I may share a picture, I did go ahead and do some filing after the fact to even that out. Anyway, I appreciate you watching. Talk to you later, roses. Bye.